I've been a creator all my life. I started out in hip-hop, and I used YouTube as a platform to get my music out there to the masses.
Overlooked and underestimated.
What I realized early is that the closest distance between a person and the truth is a story. When I create content, I don't just think, okay, what's the best that I can do? I think, okay, what's the best that can be done? A lot of my greatest work has come from me asking myself, if I only had one video left to create, what am I gonna say? That's when I start writing. And it's not all at once. I don't just regurgitate on the paper. I'm constantly going back over certain lines. I'm also doing research at the same time. So I try to combine the emotion with the science and have this beautiful marriage. The most important part of a story, of storytelling, is making somebody feel. They say people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. If you can allow people to feel, that's impactful. When I compose the script, I'm also thinking about, okay, what do I want to see in the video? And so in that way, I'm writing the script, but I'm also writing the treatment for the video at the same time. The brain is more engaged when it hears something and when it sees something at the same time.
In fact, J's initials stand for just about everybody.
When you add what's called kinetic typography on the screen, when the words pop up, all of these are engagement techniques. Even having the subtitles right at the bottom of the screen is an engagement technique. As a creator, I think it's very important to be able to articulate yourself as clearly as you can, right? To learn how to communicate so that you can explain your ideas to other people is key. A lot of people hear the 5-second rule and they're like, what? Drop food on the ground and you got 5 seconds to eat it before it's bad? That's true. But the 5-second rule when it comes to video is you got 5 seconds to capture the viewer's attention or they'll pick up and leave. Everybody is trying to fight for your attention. So the first 5 seconds of the video, I try to make something shocking. Anybody who's watched any movie, they ask the same question, right? The same one question, everybody. How will this end? As a creator, what you have to do is you have to keep them along, right? You have to give them points of excitement. You have to give them twists. And then at the end, you just have this resolution. And like I said, I can't stress it enough. I try to leave the viewer better than whence they came. As creators, you know, I think we have to have teams around us that we can collaborate with and exchange ideas with, because, you know, they might have certain ways that the video can be better, and you have to be open to that. You have to be open to changing your idea. You might have a few ideas that might actually need to be pushed aside, and you might need to just focus on a simple concept. The leaders of society are readers, and so I try to read as much as I can. Everything that's coming into you is determining what's gonna come out. Learn from the best. Learn from the best. Figure out who's doing a great job at telling stories and study them. Everybody has a story to tell, and we need more storytellers out there. So I would say be courageous, tell your story, tell those stories that haven't been told before. Keep learning as much as you can about how to convey that story in a way that's exciting and emotional. And always come from the heart, because what comes from the heart reaches the heart.